Hi kids! Today we will do some comprehension. My name is Joy. My Uncle Moby lives in a farmhouse. I love to go there in holidays. There are many animals in his farmhouse. There are 2 cows and a calf. There is a horse and a mare. There are 3 pigs and 2 piglets too. There is a beautiful pond in the farmhouse. There are 3 ducks in the pond. Small chicks are there with a hen. A windmill is also there in the farmhouse. Now let's answer a few questions based on the passage we have just read. What is the name of the boy in the passage? The name of the boy in the passage is Joy. What is the name of Joy's uncle? The name of Joy's uncle is Uncle Moby. Where does Uncle Moby live? Uncle Moby lives in a farmhouse. When does Joy go to the farmhouse? Joy goes to the farmhouse in his holidays. How many cows are there in the farmhouse? There are 2 cows in the farmhouse. How many horses are there in the farmhouse? There is 1 horse in the farmhouse. How many piglets are there in the farmhouse? There are 2 piglets in the farmhouse. Is there any pond in the farmhouse? Yes, there is a pond in the farmhouse. Which animal is there in the pond? There are ducks in the pond. How many windmills are there in the farmhouse? There is 1 windmill in the farmhouse. Oh, wow! We have answered all the questions. So we are done with 2 comprehensions. Now you can go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!